In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons on Webflow. We'll start right on the Webflow site list, so go ahead and open your site's area. From there, jump into the project you want to work on by heading into its dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, click Open in Webflow to launch the designer. That brings you into the canvas where you can make live design changes. Now decide where your social icons should live. Most people place them in the header or the footer. Click directly on the section or container where you want the icons to appear. You'll see the selected element outlined. If you're following along with on-screen highlights, keep clicking into the highlighted area to target the exact wrapper where the icons should sit. This ensures the icons inherit the right spacing and styles from their parent container. Next, open the Add panel and look for the social or icon element that your project provides. Many templates include a ready-made social block. Click the highlighted option to insert it into the selected container. If it drops in the wrong spot, just undo and try clicking a level deeper in the structure, then add it again. Once the block is in place, click into it until you've selected an individual icon placeholder. With the placeholder selected, choose the Facebook icon from the available options. You should now see the Facebook logo right on your canvas. Let's make it clickable. With the icon still selected, open the element or link settings. Click the link field, paste your Facebook page URL, and set it to open in a new tab. This keeps visitors on your site while they check out your social page. While you're here, add an accessible label like "Visit us on Facebook," so screen readers can announce it clearly. Style comes next. In the Style panel, adjust the size so the icon feels balanced with nearby text, and tweak color to match your brand palette. If your design uses hover effects, set a subtle color change or opacity shift to give users feedback when they move their cursor over the icon. Check spacing on all sides so the icon doesn't feel cramped, and align it with surrounding elements for a clean, consistent look. Finally, take a quick look across breakpoints. Click through tablet and mobile to confirm the icon scales well and remains tappable. If anything looks off, nudge the size or spacing just for that breakpoint. And that's it. Your Facebook social icon is added, linked, and styled in Web.